How to be more visible online. Now you need to figure out a way to be seen online and be more visible than the next guy, the competition. There are usually two good ways. We are discussing with you the third way here today. The fourth and best is reserved for later, as it is a secret weapon to take over your entire industry. These first two ways of being visible online and be seen on the page one of a search engine such as Google and Bing are PPC ads and SEO. Unfortunately, both of these could be expensive and out of reach for many startups and some established businesses. So what is the solution? The solution then is the pay-per-call advertising by Google, also called local service ads or LSAs. Don't jump to any conclusions yet, like, oh, that doesn't work, or you never get approved, it is too hard. Let me walk you step by step so you can fully understand why this may be a helpful and an excellent good option for you. See you in the next video.